Well, hi there pluckers, I've Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This is a lesson on a song from a band called Caamp, C-A-A-M-P, and a song called Penny Heads Up. Standard tuning, capo on fret 4, and then we're into the same key that Caamp performed the song in, okay? So without more to do, I'm going to go through the intro, the first verse and the first chorus for you, break it all down, show exactly how I played it, and you'll be good to go for the rest of the song. It's just got more of the same, more verses and choruses, there's nothing else in it, okay? So without more to do, let's get to it. My singing as usual, full reference only, okay? So here we go. Not saying you want to, not saying you would, not saying you have to, not saying you could. Let's fall into motion, carve our names in the wood. Oh, I drink up the ocean, just to show you I could. Falling in love to a little tiny speaker, rained so hard that our tin started leaking on us. We ain't got much, but got's enough. When the going gets tough, we make our own good luck. Something like that, okay? Obviously there's another verse and another chorus and like, but that's the gist of the song, okay? So let's break it down for you. Right, the little riff, it's obviously there's a lot of banjo in this which highlights the riff as well, but the actual riff is, so it starts off with that, okay? So it's a slide up on the second string, the B string, from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret. And if you hit the top E string as well, it doesn't matter because that's the same note. Okay, so unison note there. So from the 3rd fret of the 2nd string to the 5th fret, back to the 3rd fret to the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Okay, got that. Okay, and then we go to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then back to that 1st fret of the 2nd string. So now we've got this, and then you start hitting the strumming, rather the C chord, hitting the root note first, 3rd on the 5th. So now we've got this. If I play this slowly for you, and repeat it. Now we play the same riff again, but this time we go to an F. I'm playing an F major 7th. So you can play an F if you want, straightforward F, or you can play an F major 7th if you think the sound. I think the sound sounds better in that part of the song with an F major 7th. So it's just an E, it's an F chord with the top E string open, not fretted, okay? That. Caamp use a lot of that chord, okay? Okay, so choice is yours. You can either play as an F or an F major 7th, okay? So let's go from the beginning again. So same riff again and then back to the C. Okay, and now it comes in with the vocals. So let's just do that intro again for you. Okay, now for the first line of the verse, at this point we repeat the intro riff along with the words. So it goes, not saying you want to, And then it just carries on. Don't do the riff the next time. Okay, it's just the first line of that part of the verse. Don't say you want to, not saying you would, not saying you, and then we go to the F major 7th again. Have to, just saying you. It's back to the C. It's good. Now it's the second half of the verse. We repeat the riff again. Okay, into the C. Let it fall into motion. Carve our names into wood. Oh, I drink up the F major 7th ocean, just to show you that I could. Back to the C. Got that? So let's just go through that again. So from the beginning of the verse, not saying you see want to, not saying you would, not saying F major 7th you have to, just saying you. Back to C good. And then the riff. Let it fall into motion. Carve our names into wood. Oh, I drink up the F major 7th ocean, just to show you I could. Okay, so let's do the intro and the first verse. Okay, so here we go. Verse. Not saying you want to, not saying you would, not saying you have to, just saying you could. Let it fall into motion. Carve our names in the wood. Oh, I drink up the ocean, just to show that I could. And then there's a little bit there which leads into the chorus, which is the next section, right? So when you come out of that last line, just to show you I could, and then what you do is you hit that, make it a C major 7th by taking off the first finger and hitting that open 2nd string. Okay, so just to show you I could. And then hammer back into it again, into a C chord. Okay, so coming out of that, carve our names in the wood, just to drink up the ocean, just to show you I could. Right, got that? 1, 2. It's like 1, 2, and an open B string. So. Show you I could. Right, then we go into the chorus, and the chorus is an F chord. I'm playing an F rather than an F major 7th now. Straightforward F, yeah. I'm playing a 4-fingered F, which has got the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, pinky on the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Okay, you can play an F bar chord if you so wish, but I play an F chord. Anyway, so an F chord anyway. Falling in love to a little tiny speaker, raining so hard that our tents start to leak on us. Back to C. And then we play this open 2nd string again and then hammer back into it. Right? Got that? Then back into the F again. We ain't got so much, but we got enough. When the going gets tough, we make our own good. Back to C. Look. And then he just plays the riff again. Stop. Okay, just the riff again and off into another verse. Okay, so let's just go through that chorus again. So coming out of the last couple of lines of the first verse, drink of the ocean, just to show you I could. Falling in love with a tiny little speaker F, leaking on sailors. Major 7, hammer back again, F, we ain't got much, it gets enough, the going gets tough, we make our own, C, stop, riff, intro. Okay, so there you have it, that's all the parts of the song. Okay, so what we'll do now is just quickly go through the intro, the first verse and the first chorus for you, and then we'll play the intro just to finish it off again. Okay, so here we go, let's go. Not saying you want to, not saying you would, not saying you have to, I'm just saying you could. Go to the emotion, carve our names in the wood, I drink up an ocean, just to show you how good. Falling in love with a tiny little speaker, rain so hard that the tins start like commoners. Ain't got much, what we got's enough, when the going gets tough, we make our own good luck. And there you have it, that's all I can tell you about that one. Thanks very much for watching and listening, hope that helps you play that song, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.